Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for link price prediction based on Elliott web analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comment below. I will be glad to answer it. So starting with a link on the daily chart where we are looking for an A, B and a C potentially towards the upside. We are looking inside the wave A to a finished impulse towards the upside, of course finishing several impulses internally as we are looking to a big one as 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. After your wave A here or potentially your wave 1, you are looking for a W, X and a Y to finish a wave B or potentially finishing a wave 2 here. And after this you are looking of course for a wave A and then B and a C in a bearish scenario, where your scenario of course as ABC did not finish yet, of course as a corrective wave for your A, B and a C. This might be your bearish scenario of course after looking at 3 waves down here and then 3 waves up or potentially 3 waves up and then moving down again. So because we are looking at an impulse here, your 3 waves up might be a zigzag and then moving up for your wave C. So in both case scenarios now inside link, if we are bearish, we still need of course to look for one more wave towards the upside, because we cannot really count this as A and then B with an impulsive wave unless it is an A, B and a C, which is very low possibility. Therefore, I would move our wave B to this side, of course, in case we did not finish it yet. Then your bullish scenario, which is much more possible, of course, because we are looking at a very long time here for a correction, and it is very probably, of course, that we have already topped for our wave bottom for our wave B. So if I take here the fib time as well, taking from the A to from the start of the A to the end of the A, and we put here as a wave a B as a zigzag, we're gonna get that the perfect time has finished exactly here on the 0.618, where the green zone, of course, line that might have tell us that a Y have finished, or 2 or B. And in this case scenario, we can make sure that this is a impulse towards the upside and not an A, B and a C, extended wave C. And we are looking of course for further higher prices. Now after this we are looking to an A, B and a C, of course here for a wave 2. And after this now we are looking for a little bit choppy wave, of course, and then potentially we might move towards the upside. As we mentioned before, this might be a contracting diagonal where we are looking to 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. However, it was very tricky that this wave zigzag has bottomed exactly towards the downside, and now it's kind of moving up again towards the upside. Now if we dive a little bit deeper inside it, after looking at all our bullish and bearish scenario in the daily, if we look inside this wave on the 1 hour chart, we can see a little bit here a little more, maybe more information, where we are looking to a zigzag, potentially another zigzag for wave 2, same for wave 3, same for wave 4, but your wave 5 of course is a little bit more choppy zigzag, and with a very deep wave B here. So it can, however, what we need to see is of course a higher prices a little bit more, at least to take the high. I think we already did, took the high. However, this might not be really enough to call this a finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that case scenario, of course, I would suggest a little bit higher prices to make a perfect contracting diagonal, and after that start to look for another wave 2 and then moving up again. Now the possibility of several 1, 2s here is a very low possibility, because we cannot really count a perfect impulses here, neither in this wave as well. If we call 1, 2, 3, your wave 3 is very short, of course. So there is no 4, 5 in case we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Therefore, definitely those are simply zigzags. And what we are looking for is, of course, higher prices for your wave 5. Now, another possibility it can be, guys, that this wave 4 that it has, didn't finish here. It's a low possibility again, but because we got a lower prices a little bit from the trend here, you can have as well such a scenario. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 is this weird zigzag, and then you are looking for a simple wave 5 towards the upside. So possibly a little bit retracement and then moving up sharply would readjust the form of this contracting diagonal. Okay, so that is also a very high possibility. So I'm gonna keep it like that for now, just to look what it can be for the next time we reanalyze a link. So these are perfectly perfect fib levels for a wave 5. You want to take the $13.35 for link. In that case scenario, that would adjust a little bit your contracting diagonal. However, based on time, this is a weird wave for it, but it's still inside the time, where we are looking now for an uptrend. So basically, this is it. In case we are bearish, guys, in case we don't take the fib levels here, and a little bit higher, even to take a little bit the high from the 3. Your bearish scenario, of course, that this is a corrective wave where you are looking to an ABC, possibly another A, B, and a C here, or WXY. It could be, guys, everything is possible. It can be a WXY as well, and then continuation towards the downside, in case we don't really take the high. So these are the things. So to be reanalyzed for, of course, link, we're gonna see what it's coming next. So we were looking here at our bearish, as we said, WXY. However, your scenario can be extended here, that this is your X and this might be your Y. This is the only difference. Everything can be extended based on time and what we are looking at a price action. So let's check and see what's gonna happen. Higher probability is for your bullish scenario, because only that on the daily we might have already bottomed here for a wave B after an A, B, and you're looking for a wave C. Your wave C is 5 waves towards the upside. We already start with wave 1, 2, and we are looking for wave 3 towards the upside. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.